How to change world difficulty in Terraria. So if you want to change your world difficulty, you typically need to create a new world with the desired mode. So here I'm just going to go to the main menu. So you could either pick single player or multiplayer. So I'm going with single player right here. I'm just going to use my character right there. Then click on new. And as you can see, the difficulty is shown right there. So you could either pick Journey, Classic, Expert, or Master. So just note that your character difficulty is different from your world difficulty. So when you play a Journey character, you cannot play it on other modes except Journey. So just take note of that. But once you have selected your world difficulty, so let's say you want to do Classic, then you could either just simply create your seed or use a default one, then name your world, and also you can also select of either corruption, crimson, or random. So for me, I like to use random. Once you're done, just click on create, and as you can see, your world is being created just like that. Now you simply need to wait until everything is finished, and as you can see, I now have my world made just like that. And that is how I basically change world difficulty in Terraria.